Imagine you're the senior medical director of an international pharmaceutical company, and your inbox is flooding with news of unexpected side effects from one of your drugs. Reports of mislabeling, contamination, and undeclared allergens begin circulating. With information coming from multiple sources, you need everyone on the same page. Lab technicians, healthcare providers, reps at satellite offices, to isolate the problem before more patients are put at risk. But what if you could trust that your people, stationed across the world, were already working to mitigate this potential catastrophe?
If an executive is confronted by a major crisis, there are going to be a lot of different paths that they're trying to follow at once. Let's get safety first to make sure that nobody's harmed. How does this affect our pipeline, our manufacturing?
The stakes are huge. There could be lives at risk. It could be their reputation. When there is an emergency, companies need to work very rapidly to assess the problem.
Most major corporations are decentralized, with satellite offices around the world and teams of remote, mobile workers. And as the modern workforce becomes ever more global and scattered, collaboration challenges are growing with it.
It's never just one team that's needed. Coordination is still the single hardest challenge in the global workforce.
There's an enormous number of different kinds of experts who are necessary to make any life sciences company work. When you put the global layer on top of this, now you've got national boundaries as well. You've got language barriers, degrees, and status differences. There are lots of challenges.
The key to optimizing a globalized workforce is empowerment. That's the idea that giving employees the right information at the right time and entrusting them to act together on it is imperative for daily efficiency and crisis response.
Our surroundings become increasingly complex. We have to be able to match that complexity, and you're just not going to do that in a centralized hierarchical manner. You're going to have to trust a distributed, empowered workforce to be able to take the right decisions at the right time.
Rather than, waiting for the boss. If you have all the information, you can make a decision right away for your business. The pace within which businesses can operate can dramatically increase.
Technology plays a really important role in helping to bridge the gap between people who are working in different places at different times and still get the benefits of actually working together.
To seamlessly bring remote workers together, companies need to implement the right collaboration technology to share information under pressure.
Used to be that you would buy assets, phone systems, conferencing capabilities. You had to maintain them. You had to have expertise to keep them running. By putting these assets in a cloud, by having them hosted, it gives the companies a lot of flexibility.
So as the medical director at a pharmaceutical company, you'll know what's happening in real time, even if you're thousands of miles away, and you'll trust that your workforce is empowered to address the issue.
If there is an emergency, you really need to pull in the right people right now. Being empowered, you've got the ability to move more rapidly to help customers and to help people out, no matter what their situations might be.